Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Microsoft Authenticator not working on your iPhone device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Setting application on your iPhone, then go to Apps, then choose the option of Authenticator. Go to the notification setting and make sure notification permission is allowed for this application. After you see the toggle is on, simply head towards settings again, go to general, click on date and time, and simply toggle on the feature of set automatically, as this can also cause sometimes problem with the authenticator. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to fix the issue with Microsoft Authenticator on your iPhone. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.